drop, you're right. You not drop. Don't go down. Let me do some sharing. Sharing is caring. Cause when you share, you
Welcome, welcome, welcome. Here you Jungle recording.
sharing your original share.
Jungle production recording studio. With the big man Jungle George again. Everyone. Jungle Melon on the place. Again. Good afternoon, Jungle George. Why you at it again, done? Let us come on. Nice, Jungle George. Give me a nice turn down there. Just do it, right? Alright, I love that Jungle George. So Jungle George, you're always in the studio as usually, man. Making the beats and doing what you do best. I love that. And I can see that you have a new artist again, Jungle George. I love that. What's it? Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, man, welcome to Jungle Production Recording Studio.
Thank you.
Yes, are you that up on the mixer going, sir, man?
Yes, man.
So what you?
Chicken heart, you know.
Wow, are you named Chicken Hack?
Yes, the only heart that talk.
The only art that talk, I will hear you. All-time artist, man, big up yourself, man. And welcome to Jungle Production Recording Studio alongside Jungle George.
Right.
This is Jungle Mellow.
Okay.
I want to say good afternoon once more. Yeah. So, are you that funny thing I go on, some man? The topic of the song I said, me say, sharing is caring. That's a message. I love it.
Of course.
Yes, man. But guess what now? I love what I go on, you know. Jungle George, guess what? I go beg a little volume for the music to make people let me hear what Chicken Hack go on with in the studio, you know. Yeah. Sounding real good. Yeah, Jungle George. Where Jungle George? You want me to beg a Jungle George? Sharing is really caring. So here what me want you do for me, Jungle George. Me want you Chicken Hack himself with him voice. So me I beg you, Jungle George, just give me the rhythm and make Jungle George make Chicken Hack put some arcing on the mic.
Sister,
Yes.
when it comes to sharing, it
Yeah?
means a whole lot to me.
Definitely.
When I became a father over 35 years ago,
Wow.
so that teach me that I am not here for just me. I have to live for me and my
Yeah.
children.
Yeah.
I'm being a father, I'm not a father for my kids, but I think I'm a father of the nation.
Nation.
So all I can share is my love and my joy and
Respect
my music
that,
to
respect that,
everyone,
man.
globally, because everyone is equal.
And you're sending out a real message right now in the music.
It's necessary.
Respect, respect, respect. Jungle George, guess what? Give me some with him, then let me hear Chicken Hack straight out to no man. Yes, yes.
Ah!
Jungle Production Recording Studio, Kingston, Jamaica. Yeah.
Ah!
Oh, yeah.
Now I'm a star, bro. I'm right. I'm not drop. Dale, dale. Don't be done. It's what I say. Make me do some sharing is caring. Now when you share your wild about the system, make me do some sharing is caring. Share with your brethren and share with your sisters, make me do some sharing is caring. Now when you share your wild about them, someone nowadays them don't like to share. Before them share, man, I want them to care. Not if no one shot or a one punch away. Even buy a drink up, we buy a one beer. When things are going, them not come here. Check them for your thing, the friendship disappear. It's like sharing and them worst nightmare. Worst nightmare.
Yeah.
Worst nightmare. You better do some sharing. Sharing is caring. Cause when you share your wife out the system, you better do some sharing. Sharing is caring. Share with your brethren and share with your. So when I don't love to share, then they just don't care.
Yeah, yeah.
A man purpose here, one side my can cheer. Sip champagne and a rocking chair. Why
Sharing
call a boy
is
down
caring.
and leave them a here. All your bet and all you want please. If don't hear about you are there.
Sharing
Cause when you share your help out the system. And when you share your help out the system, make you do some sharing. Sharing is caring. Now when you share your help out the system, make you do some sharing. Sharing is caring. Share with your brethren and share with them. Some of them don't love to give, but they love to receive. Where them a think and where them believe. Them only money tight down and they feel the squeeze. If for them alone me rise, wouldn't know a peace. If for them alone me born, wouldn't know a cheap penis. In a them strong like Hercules. Look at how you beg, look at how you plead. All you want one, them don't care about me. They make you do some sharing, sharing is sharing. Cause when you share your help out the system, make you do some sharing, sharing is sharing. Share with your brethren and share with your system, make you do some sharing, sharing is sharing. Cause when you share your help out the system,
Yeah. Sharing is caring. I love it. I love it. Trust me, I love it. You gotta lead, man. That music here. Yo, Jungle Production Recording Studio, Kingston, Jamaica, doing it. Jungle Judge doing what he do best. Jungle Judge. Man like you. I you do the rhythm. I you do everything, right?
yeah, as usual,
As usual. Boy, Judge, you make real good beats. Me I tell them I love the beats, them man. Jungle Mellow love what you do here. Yes. And I will always be here, Jungle George, checking out all what you do. Now, Jungle George, if somebody listening and watching my videos now and wanted to get in touch with you, can you just tell them how they can get in touch with them and come to the studio, no man?
Okay, well, email first of all, junglelavaban@gmail.com.
Thank you.
And it's the same Jungle Lava Band
Uh-huh.
at Facebook. You will find us at Facebook.
Yes.
You find us at Instagram. You find us at Twitter. And
Yes.
you find us on YouTube, Jungle Lava Band.
Great. Good.
My phone numbers are 454-2698
Yes.
and 828-1326.
Great.
And that is 1876.
That's how we know. It's all about, it's in Jamaica. Yeah, Kingston, Jamaica.
Yeah, man.
Close by to Halfway Tree. You just make a call Jungle George.
Dub plates.
Jungle
rhythm,
George, the dub plate, yes.
Voicing,
Wow.
vocal
Yes.
training,
Vocal training.
rhythm, learning an instrument,
That's right.
the basic instrument,
Yes.
drum, bass, guitar, keyboard.
Talking about, excuse me, Jungle George, talking about music and guitar, keyboard. I understand that you play almost every instrument when it comes to music.
Yeah, most instrument. The
And
one
you're
that,
from
the
a-
one that I'm afraid of is a wind instrument because I don't buy the instrument.
Oh, and I understand again that you're from a music family, man.
Yeah, man. Most of my families are musicians.
Okay.
My uncles. Just today I was online looking at some additional people that are musicians that I didn't even know about. Some
Wow.
additional people that come from where my family is originally from, which is Chilani. Even though we are my grandmother and grandfather was living in Manchester, but they were originally from Chilani.
Okay.
Just today I was on the family tree.
Yes, I like that Jungle George.
Still in Chilani and even in Canada and all over, that is musician. And the funniest thing, most of them are guitarists.
Wow, guitarist. And you specialize in guitar, don't?
Yeah, that's the
Wow.
guitar, yes.
Yes, man. And I understand that you also have a band with
Yes.
you and your children.
Well, I teach all of my children, well, most of my children to play an instrument.
That's good.
That's
Very
right.
good. Very good.
And,
Very good.
And most of them, the ones that take it serious, is
Yeah.
now in my band. I
Wow.
have my one drummer, which is my son, the bass player, my son, keyboard player, my daughter, and guitar, my son also.
Wow.
So I have a
Great
complete band,
Jungle
and I have
George.
daughters and granddaughters and sons that sings. very
Sings.
well.
That's right, man.
Well, if you check out Jungle Lava Band and TVJ,
That's right.
you will see our TVJ performance and other performance on YouTube. You will see a lot of them. But
Oh, yes, man.
that is the one that people keep on commenting.
Yes,
telling me
man.
about.
Yes, Jungle George. I love that. And
And
Jungle
you will see
George.
Jungle Mellow also on TVJ performing.
John, thank you for that ad. Thank you for that ad, Jungle George. Thank you very much. And back to this man again. What the man name again, man? So the man name gone out of my head. Chicken Ark. Chicken. Oh, chicken heart.
Only halfway.
Chicken heart. I wonder if you will eat up my chicken. Then me have some chicken outside. This heart don't eat the chicken then.
No, listen. I don't want you to talk too loud about eating the chickens. Because I don't want them to get scared and fly away.
Oh.
Because chicken is just a belly full for half.
You know something? Jungle Jar just whispered to him and said this a chicken heart can only eat up the music. Oh my God, I love that.
But I'm the marvelous musical arc. When I talk my dog back when I jam them up on New York.
Oh.
And along with Jungle Jar, we're going to set up a spark.
One thing I like with the Jungle recording, Jungle production recording studio, you know, there's always fun here. Fun. Yes, man. Music. Just, it's like a family thing. It's very nice.
You feel no pain.
Wow, when you come to Jungle Production Recording Studio,
If you're joy at what you do, that means what you're doing is hurting you.
it's a family
So
studio.
once you're doing music and you're not feeling it, you're not pulling a joy in it.
Thank you
it
very
makes no
much.
sense.
It makes no sense. I like a
Music
chicken
is
heart.
love, and once you feel music, you feel
Yeah.
love.
I
So you
love
got
that
to
chicken
share the
heart.
love and the joy with everyone.
That's great.
Black, white, green,
Sharing
pink,
is
whoever you may be, I'm here to share.
Great.
Because I care.
So great, chicken heart. It
Thank
was
you.
nice talking to you.
Okay.
And what I love the unity. I love the unity here. You know what happened? Before I go, Jungle George, I'm gonna ask you to give me some more of Chicken Heart's music. Let me hear it and let the people them hear that Chicken Heart is tearing down Jungle Production Recording Studio with music. Share the music with me now, man. Sharing is caring. I want it. Wow. Yes, people. I'm coming from. Oh! No, give me that.
I was just
Yeah. Some of them mean. Jungle Production Recording Studio, Kingston, Jamaica. This is your girl, Jungle Mellow.
God, when you share your wild folk, share it is you. Share with your virgin, I'll share with you. Some man know what his friends don't like to share. Before them share, man, I want them to care. Not if I want shot or I want fancy wear. Even buy a drink and buy a one beer. When things are going, them not come here. Check the beat in the friendship disappear. It's like sharing a worst nightmare. I give you some sharing is fear. Now when you share your wife out the system, I give you some sharing is fear. Share with your virgin and share with your sister, I give you some sharing is fear. Now when you share your wife out the system, I give you some sharing is fear.
Sharing is caring.
Just don't care. How much pressure or burden you appear. When you have food in your mind, you have clothes you wear. A man purpose stay one side, man can hear. Keep champagne and a rocking chair. Why squad and find
Yes, Jungle George, again, at it. Yes, Jungle George, I love that. Sharing is caring. Remember, Jungle George Recording Studio, Kingston, Jamaica. Just check out Jungle George. Jungle Production Recording Studio. That was your girl Mellow right here. Yeah. Jungle Production Recording Studio. Coming out of Kingston, Jamaica. Yeah, Chicken Heart on the music there, yeah? Along with Jungle George, Jungle Recording Studio, Jungle Lava. Guess what? That was your girl Jungle Mellow once more. Coming from Jungle Production Recording Studio in Kingston, Jamaica. Thank you to the world, yeah. Jungle Production Recording Studio, Kingston, Jamaica, alongside Jungle George. Chicken Heart in the studio. Hey, that's it, Hello, say, I'm out.
For them share, man, I want them big hair. Now one shot or one pants to wear. People buy a jeans.